continuing with my orange takeover episode. Oops. This time I'm bringing you back a nice flavorful, spicy, sticky one. My Caribbean orange wings. I'm Chef Winston and welcome to Floribbean cuisine. Let's get cooking. My Caribbean orange jerk wings. Sweet, spicy, sticky. Another orange takeover. Everything orange based. We've got some wings, like I said. I got the oven set at 380 degrees. And we're gonna start seasoning our wings. I've got about 2 pounds of wings here. And I'm gonna add some rum, a little bit of salt, some lime juice to this, followed with some fresh cracked black pepper. This one here is gonna be another winner. Guys, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you'd like to see me make something, please don't forget to mention it and I'll be happy to bring it out and shout you out at the same time. Following that, we're gonna hit it with some olive oil. This is the first step of this masterpiece. A little olive oil, and mixing it up. Next step, we're gonna start building the marinade for this. Okay, the marinade components, you're gonna get a separate bowl. Get another bowl. We're gonna add some orange juice, soy sauce, some brown sugar, ginger, and garlic. Follow that, we're gonna hit it with our mild jerk seasoning. My mild jerk seasoning, you can find this in the description below in my shop store. Got a lot of cool stuff down there. This is my mild version, okay? Some of this, not too much. We're gonna mix this all together. Beautiful. Then we're gonna pour all of this over the wings. Lovely. Mix this up, toss it up. Wrap it up nice and tight. And we're gonna put this into the refrigerator. We're gonna let it hang out for about 3 hours, like I said. Here, we're gonna come back and check it out, okay? All right. All right, let's start making this bad boy. Ooh, looking good. So let's start spread it out in the sheet pan and start cooking it. Perfect, perfect, perfect. This here is smelling, woo, really good. So, what we're gonna start doing is this. I've got me a sheet pan. I'm gonna line it with foil. Why am I lining it with foil? This is gonna be a sweet, sticky mess. So, to help it clean up afterwards, this foil will come in very handy. That's why I'm using the foil. So, I'm gonna take my wings and put it on, my marinated wings. This smells so good. Spread them out nice and even. Leave room in between so the heat can pass through and cook on all sides. Oh yes, this is smelling awesome already. Please subscribe, share, make a comment. Love to talk to you guys. All right, so we're gonna stick this in an oven, a 380 degree oven, and let this start cooking. While these are cooking, we're gonna start making our glaze for this masterpiece. Beautiful orange flavored glaze. You got some orange juice, dark rum, butter. I got some cracked allspice berries, some paprika, and some honey to follow. This is gonna be a nice glaze for these wings. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay. Let's bring this to a boil and taste it. I'm gonna also add the reserved liquid from the marinade. This is all flavor, man. We don't want nothing, no flavor. You want to be forgotten. So here we go. Perfect. You're gonna bring this to a boil. Let it simmer about for like maybe 5 minutes. And it should thicken slightly. Take a look at that. This is what we're looking for. Slightly thickened. That's what I'm looking for right here. So we're gonna turn this off. So let's take a look to see what these wings are looking like. Woo, yeah. Smelling good. They're releasing some juice. This juice, I'm gonna add this, the liquid that the wings produce while cooking. I'm gonna add that to the glaze as well. More added flavor. We don't want to let none of this go to waste. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna stick these back in to the oven to continue coloring and cooking. There it is. Looking good too. Alright. These wings been cooking. They've been looking really, really good when I checked it last. Oh, perfect, beautiful, beautiful. We're gonna take these out. Oh man, woohoo! Beautiful, yes. So what I'm gonna do here, the glaze that I made, the beautiful glaze, I'm gonna do this here. We're gonna take the wings and we're gonna toss this glaze with it. And I got the oven set on broiler and broil. Oh, lovely, lovely. Take this, pour over. Toss it up. Just to coat it. Then we're gonna return it back to the sheet pan and stick it into the boiler. Toss, yes. Just lay it back on here. Beautiful. So by putting it into the broiler, what this is gonna do is start to caramelize the sugars and all the sweetness that's in this glaze. Start caramelizing and continue giving more color and embedding more prominent flavor onto each wing. Oh yes. Put a little bit of glaze over this. Then we're gonna stick it in the oven. Remember, the broil setting. Stick this in. Let the broiler do its magic. Coming along really good. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. This wing here, with this orange takeover, these flavors, it's working nice. All right, let's see what the broiler is doing there. Beautiful, you see that? The sugar is caramelizing everything very nicely. When working with sugar and the broiler, you gotta keep your eyes on it because the carbohydrate coming from on top. Already turn this one already, oh yeah. The carbohydrate coming from the top, it can caramelize the sugar really fast if you don't keep your eyes on it and you don't want to burn. But this is looking pretty good though. Let's continue caramelizing it some more. This beautiful glaze. Yeah, so let's go over here now and take these wings out. This should be done. Last time we peeked at it, it was giving that nice caramelized color throughout. So, oh yes, beautiful. Look at that. Color is what I'm looking for. Guys, I'm gonna toss this in the sauce a little bit more, and the glaze a little bit more. Let it cool down, and we're gonna come and give this a taste. Oh, beautiful. So as these are cooling down, I'm gonna add more flavor. We're gonna take some fresh lime zest and sprinkle on top of these wings. Give it an extra element of punch, freshness. And it looks really nice too. Tell me what you guys think in the comment section. Put in there a winner if you like this so far. All right. So let's give this bad boy here a taste. Oh my goodness. Let me sop up some of this sauce here, some of this glaze. Get me a nice one with, oh man, I'm salivating. I can't even speak properly. Woo! Guys, let me tell you what's happening. This orange rum glaze is everything. The flavors, the complex flavors, the jerk marinade, the jerk seasoning, my version jerk seasoning have so much flavors. Everything is in that one bottle is representing in these wings. And the flavor is all the way to the bone. That marinade that I put in there for about 3 hours, that's the ticket. And then I shaved it off with a little bit of that fresh lime zest. It picks it up to an even different level. Oh man. This right here is definitely a winner. All of the ingredients is in the description below. The recipe to this is available in digital form, also in the description below. You gotta give this one a shot. If you like what you saw just now, please put in the comment also, a winner. A winner. Guys, I'm gonna sit back and enjoy this here with a glass cold of beer. This episode here, Orange Takeover. Orange taking over my kitchen for the next few episodes. Don't forget to please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss one single episode. Every week, baby, I'm bringing you flavor upon flavor and more flavor. Until next time, cheers.